Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction. That yellow zone, as we put it together yesterday, that one. And when we put it, my friend, we said the price is going to retrace from here. And that's what happened. As you see here, that candle, that green one, it's showing a retracement from there. And that's the power of our analysis, my friend. We give you the right signal when to enter. Hello and welcome, my friend. We came back in another video. So if you are interested to our channel, please make sure to subscribe. By the way, also we put in every day 1 or 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin or the crypto world. So if you are interested, you can join us. And if you're watching us from the video down, you're going to find a red button. Click at it. It's going to become gray like that. Subscribe it. And next to it, you find that bell. You came to it and you turn it to all like that. And you're going to be notified every time when also we put in a new video. So go ahead and do it. You've done it. And please smash that like button to help us to put more content like this, my friend. So without further ado, let's go into start our lesson of today, my friend. Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction. We came back again, my friend. And by the way, before we even start, I want to tell you a disclaimer. Down below there is a lot of people writing comments, and majority of them, they are fake people and using fake accounts. They try to send you to Telegram or WhatsApp or whatever. They just want to scam you. Don't click at the link of anyone and don't go talk with anyone. Those people, they are just scammers. They will send you links. You click at them, they will scam all your devices. So be aware of those things and don't go to no one. That's the disclaimer I want to tell you. So be aware of those things, my friend. Be aware of it. So, my friend, as you see here, that our candle, if you remember what did I told you in the last video, and you can watch it. I told you from that level here, that yellow zone, as we put it together yesterday, that one. And when we put it, my friend, we said the price is going to retrace from here. And that's what happened. As you see here, that candle, that green one, it's showing a retracement from there. And that's the power of our analysis, my friend. We give you the right signal when to enter. Everything is too clear, my friend. Let's see our indicators, what they say. That one, as you see it, my friend, we're still under that long-term trend. That one, as we said it before, that one is a long-term trend. We're still under it. It tried to break it, but till now there is no power to break up. So we need to wait more. And that one is a valid trend line. We are going to go out when the price is going to break it. Me, I'm talking about the people, they enter from down here, from 17K. Not people, they want just to scalp or to day trade the crypto world. Everything is too clear, my friend. You get the picture. Let me show you the other indicator, what it's saying, my friend. That one, as you see it, my friend, we're still here in the orange area. And we are going to the green, I think, zone. So be aware of those things. By the way, if you are new, you can subscribe to our channel. Also, we're giving every day 2 videos analyzing the Bitcoin chart. So if you want to benefit from all those things, you can join us. Everything is free, my friend. You don't need to pay nothing. Everything is too clear. So let's dive into 4 hours to show you what is it there, my friend. Here we are, my friend, in the 4 hours. And in the 4 hours, if you remember what did I told you we got here a cup and handle like that. I tell you it's being broken here. And I told you it's going to go back and touch here that level. And after that, it's going to go upward. And that's what happened until now. We don't know what's going to the future bring for us. But let's zoom it. As you see, my friend, the price what it give you here. The price is giving you here in the 4 hours here. Inside bar. So that one, I think the price is going to retrace from here upward, my friend. So be aware of those things. And that level, as I told it to you before, now it's still powerful. How we get that level? It's very easy. Let me show you. That level, we get it, my friend. We set the first time from here to here. And the price, it dropped 14%. Second time from here to here, the price it dropped 8%. The third time from here to here, the price it dropped 6%. And now we said it's going to drop 4%, depending on the previous data we got. And that's what happened, my friend. It dropped 4%, as you see it. That's how we draw in that line there. So it's like that, my friend, how we draw it, as you see it, every time, because us, we saw in here, we calculate in here, those sellers, those ones, they came from here the first time, second time here, the third time here, and now the fourth time. So now it's need either that one to break upward or to break downward, to break that things we've been following all the time, because it's the same for the buyers. The buyers, every time they used to come powerful, and now they started getting decrease. So I think now is the right time. We're going to see if it's going to break upward, it's going to break for us the triangle up, or to break it down, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. You get the picture. So let's see more, my friend. What is it there? So, my friend, let's see what our indicator is saying till now. Our indicator, my friend, it's still showing us here a divergence, as you see it, my friend, here and here. That one is a divergence, my friend. So I think it's going to drop a little bit. We don't know. Or maybe from here it's going to go up and give us another high. So it will break in the divergence because it's still green here. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let's go into 30 minutes to see what is it there, because 30 minutes is going to tell us the right movement for now from here till the end of this candle. So let's go into lower time frames to see what's going to happen, my friend. Here we are, my friend, in 30 minutes. And in 30 minutes, as you see what the price tried to give us here, if you see here, be focused with me here like that, and here like that. What that meant to you, my friend? That one, the first shoulder, the head, and the second shoulder, my friend. And the neckline, is it here, down at that level? It hasn't been broken yet, my friend. And the price it's showing is going to go back a retracement upward. But till now, we still have the divergence down, that one. So be aware of those things, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. And by the way, if you are new and you are wondering what else we're talking about and you want to learn, down below in the first comment, my friend, there is a couple link of 85% to our highly recommended course. The course is going to teach you everything about technical analysis. And by the way, the course is not expensive. It's only 13 bucks, my friend. It's the price of a cup of coffee. Go to it and join it. The course is going to teach you a lot of things, my friend. It's going to teach you how to draw support resistance, how to draw supply demand, how to read candlesticks, how to spot if you are in an uptrend or a downtrend. Everything in that course, my friend. And believe me, you will not regret if you join that course, my friend. And if you don't want to learn technical analysis and you just want to start investing in the crypto world, next to it, there is an 85% coupon link to our highly recommended course to invest in the Bitcoin, my friend. That course is going to teach you everything, how to buy, how to open a brokerage, how to deposit money, everything in that course, even how to sell, my friend. And that's the most important, because majority of people you buy from them courses or something, they don't teach you how to sell, because even them, they don't know how to sell. They tell you where to buy, yes, and that everyone can tell it to you, but how you going to sell to maximize your profit, my friend? That's the dilemma and that's the problem. So that's what us, we are here. We teach you in that course how to sell, my friend, and how to maximize your profit. Everything is too clear, my friend. You get the picture. So let's continue, my friend. And another thing here, if you see it, my friend, what the price tried to give us here. If you draw it like that, and from here to here, the price is giving us here a triangle, my friend. And the triangle show you how to calculating the size of it, where it's going to be the target. It just came here to that zone here, that one. And when the price breaking, you calculate it like that. So the target is going to be here, where is that green level, as we put it before, at 25,299, my friend. Everything is in front of you, my friend. Nothing hard, nothing complicated. Let me zoom it to show you the price action there. Here we are, my friend. The price action we got here, that zone here, that one. That one, you know it from here, from the last high. Is it that one? So it's need that any candle to come and to break for you the upper here, like that. So like that, you're going to know the price is going to go upward, my friend. Everything in front of you, my friend. Nothing hard, nothing complicated. But here, the dilemma here, the volume here, it doesn't show we got big power, my friend, for going upward. The volume is going lower and lower. So be aware of those things, my friend. Everything in front of you. So let's see our indicators, what they said, my friend. That our indicator, my friend. Our indicator last night, I told you when it's going to enter here that the right time to buy, and that the right time to buy, my friend. You've been buying from here. Remember that. You're buying from here. I think take profit is going to be here at the last high. That one here. That if you enter from here to here, my friend. So let me show it to you. Let's measure the from here, it said you enter from here to here, you're going to make 4.91%, my friend, and that one is a very nice profit, my friend. So as I told you, now is the right time for you to buy, my friend. If you want to buy, if you buy, you put stop loss down here, here, down in that place, down in those candles before those ones, here, for the previous low, my friend. Everything in front of you, nothing hard, nothing complicated. So if you enter, you put the stop loss there and take profit here. It's going to be 1-to-1, my friend, as you see it. Let's see it, how much it's going to be. If you enter from here, target is going to be here. Stop loss, you put it down here, as we said. So stop loss is going to be 3.24 and the take profit is going to be 4.61. So it's more than 1-to-1, my friend. Everything is too clear. You get the picture, my friend. So that's it for that video, my friend. See you in the daily candle. Finish it, my friend. Bye for now.